I'm going to leave that there. We'll move over to the other eye. Now the colour differences here are amazing. Look at that. It's like two different eyes, two different cat's eyes. Okay, well the first colour I'm going to do is I'm going to pick like the turquoise. Right, I'm going into my soft brush and I'm just picking the turquoise. Let's get some turquoise up there. Right, that's a very, very dark turquoise there, isn't it? You can see my highlights that I put in all of. These are like little map finders when I'm painting. So it lets me find everything. I'm just coming around here. It's a lot darker, but remember this is just like the first base. Got a little bit of darkness coming up here, look. So let's put that darkness in there. Okay. That's it. Just putting that darkness in, and that's just going to give me a guesstimate. Right, let's go for a lighter. Change the opacity. And I just start bringing up this lightness, see? That's better. Just do it gradually. There we go. So you can see that the dark that I put in is helping the light. Some people just want to go straight ahead and do the colours as is, but sometimes you really do need another colour underneath that colour, just to enhance it. Okay. Alright, so we've got like two little bits here, and I'm just going along with so. There we go. I just want to add a little bit of this nice brown, lovely brown, see? And just put it along where we see it. Very pale at the minute because the opacity is really down. So I'm going to go in with the yellow. And hopefully that's better. I'm going to get that. Lovely brown, see? I'm going to go with a very dark brown just along the bottom. Change the opacity, make it a bit stronger. bit warmer. That's it. Let's get a little bit of light marker in there. Okay, just so I can see where everything is. Got a bit of a light marker there and there. These little light markers are great because you can see where everything is, and it's just like having a grid. Change the opacity. Whoops. The rays keep coming in when I don't want it to. So let's just get these two highlights in here. Maybe a little bit of lightness in there. One highlight just eclipsing the iris there, look. And a little bit up here. There's a big one up here. In fact, I'm going to go with a pink. And then go in with a white. That's better. There we go. Lots of spots happening in there. It's in a well lit room. Okay, now I've got a little bit of very pales. Oh, I need a little bit of darkness first. I'll use this brown. I'll just bring it up here. Into this light brown. And this darkness, you can see it reaches over to the highlights. That tells me how far I've got to go, you see. There we go. If I increase the size of my brush, I can probably get in a little bit small. The size of the brushes are so paramount to how much or how little you want done. So I'm doing a 16 by 12 inch canvas with 400 dpi, so I can get some lovely blends in at a high zoom level. Let's go in with some dark now. Let's just blend it in. There we go. See, so I'm getting that glassy look. A little bit more on the bottom here, look. A little bit up there. There's a little bit more. Let's do some more brown up here, look. That's it. Now between the brown and the iris, I need to bring some blue back. So let's get a nice light blue. See, turquoisey blue. Where it's joining the yellow, see? And then it just goes into the brown. So very subtle. The opacity's everywhere, so it's working. Now, here's good.